Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your home address on Waze. First, of course, if you haven't launched it up yet, go ahead and launch up Waze. And then you want to slide this up here like this, okay? Slide it up and you will see your home, okay? So I want you to hold on this. When you hold on this, you get a bunch of more options. So let me show you my home address right now. This is my home address, and to change this is very easy. So I come back here, I hold this, and then you just click on Edit Home. And then you type in your new home address. So I can type this in right here. Okay, and then click on Search, and then I can see it right here. So I'll just choose this one. Okay, and it is already changed. So if I come back here, click on Edit Home, okay, you will be able to see my new home address. So I click on Info, and there you go. It has been changed. Really that easy and simple.